Daddy.
And Daddy girl.
Daddy.
Are you so cute?
Daddy.
Jeez, Daddy. You silly boy. Did you get stuck yesterday?
Yeah.
Can you tell Daddy? Get stuck. What'd you get stuck in?
Oh no, it's a duck.
Yeah. What about, was it in the car?
Yeah.
Where? In the snow?